Breaker Broke 23. All right, today in this video, we're going to answer some viewer mail. And I get this question from time to time, so I thought I'd put together a little video and hopefully this doesn't go on too long. So Debbie M asked a question, and she has an old school setup, an Adcom GFA 555 amp and the 555 series preamp, which Adcom stereo gear is just, in my opinion, awesome. Sold a little bit of that back in the day. Great stuff. Okay, so what she's doing now is she is listening to music through that Adcom system with her iPad, and she's currently tethered. And so what she's doing is she has this little converter device, and I'll leave links to everything here down below because yeah, I mean, you can just look. But anyway, what this is this is a little connector that plugs into the iPad or the iPhone, and it will allow you to run RCAs or a set of RCA cables into a stereo preamp or old school receiver like this. And this works, and it's not bad, but there are a couple downsides to this. Let's first of all talk about audio quality, because that's kind of why we're here. All right, so basically, your device, no matter what it is, has a small DAC in it. And what they're doing is you can plug this in, and this is basically meant to just like use headphones on your iPad or your phone. And you're utilizing the built-in DAC in your device. Now, the built-in DAC is just kind of a get-me-by type thing. It's, you know, it'll work for headphones, it'll work for wired earbuds and stuff like that. And as I'm sure as you've noticed, as you start turning up the volume, you get some distortion in that. Okay, so another downside is we're tethered to the gear. We can only walk, you know, 1.5 feet, 3 feet, or 6 feet, depending on the length of your RCAs, away from your device. So you're tethered to it. So if you want to change music or whatever, or whatever, you've got to run back into that room or get up and make those changes. So her question was, what should I do? And she actually called Adcom and asked, and they gave her their answer, which I actually agree with, but I just want to show you some different options. 5 or 6 years ago, if you asked me this, should I use a DAC or Bluetooth, I would say use the DAC. This used to be the way to go, and honestly still is. This is a great way to go. Now, I'm using the Shit. Yes, that's the name of the company. These are American made. I really like this stuff. And if you already have a DAC, then I'm going to show you, this is how you hook it up. But this DAC is great. And what we're doing here is now we're not using the analog section or the built-in DAC in your device. We're going to send a digital signal out through the cable into the back of this DAC. It's going to process that digital file and turn it into an analog file, right? RCAs out. And then you plug that into your stereo. Now, these little lightning connectors are great. This is how you interface something like this. What you do is you plug this little lightning connector into here, you plug your USB and in from here and into the back of your DAC, and now we're going digital out here, digital into here. This does all of its processing and goes analog out to here. Great way to go. Phenomenal sound. Big update in sound, big improvement in sound, okay? And yeah, it works out really well. Now, the problem with this is you're still tethered, right? You're still tethered.
One of any quality
this will work.
I've ever seen do that. And I like
this will work on music and videos. Oh, but look, I can no longer operate the volume anymore. Now I have to walk back to the stereo and do the volume up down. Same thing with music. So I'm doing YouTube. I'm also doing Sirius satellite radio. Oh man, I could listen to that song all day long. When I'm done with this video, I'm going to jam on that song. I really love that Paul McCartney and Wings song. Anyway, so this will work. Improvement in sound, however you're still tethered. All right, Adcom said go with the Bluetooth, and I agree 100%, okay? So for this part of the demonstration, I'm going to use the FIO BTA30 Pro. This is one of my favorite DACs and Bluetooth receivers. This is actually a 3-in-1. This is a Bluetooth receiver, a Bluetooth transmitter, and a DAC. So we can make this little box do what this box is doing. And we can now use this as a Bluetooth receiver and get that portability. So let's cut the cord. All right, it's gone. It's out of here. All right, let me switch over my input jack. And now we can jam like this now. Now we're cordless. Okay, and I'm going to get hit with a strike. So let's go over to me droning on a YouTube video. How about that?
You like better, like
now watch something. We've just gained a feature here other than portability.
Analog or RCA input.
Look at this. Now we have volume control.
Line, and that's not always the
So now I can change all my music tracks on here, and this will take care of it. I can switch back and forth from video, and there you go. So it's wireless. Now it's purely wireless in CD quality. All right, because it says high res on it. The little sticker there. This is high res. All right, you can trust these. These have come a long way in the last 4, 5, 6 years. These sound very, very close to CD audio, all right? And now you've got portability, which I really like. So the shit DAC here, again, you're tethered, great audio quality, possibly slightly, oh gosh, maybe like slightly better, like a hair's width better audio quality, possibly. I don't know. This high-res Bluetooth stuff is getting better and better every year. Anyway, you're into one of these about 130 bucks. This is about 130, 140. You can go with like a high-end piece. This is Bluetooth 5.1. This is Bluetooth 5.4. A piece like this is going to run you close to $300. This is the iFi Audio Zen Blue version 3. This is a great little device. Isn't that thing funky looking? Man, that's a cool looking device. This is also a DAC. This is also a Bluetooth receiver. This is also a Bluetooth transmitter. So it's kind of cool. What we're talking about here is basically going cordless. Cordless is the way to go. But some people still poo-poo the Bluetooth. So that's why I wanted to show you the DAC. Boy, I hope that doesn't confuse you guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about the length of this video. But there you go, Debbie. I hope that helps a little bit. Yeah, so stay tuned to this channel, as always, for more fun with Bluetooth. So questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I want to thank you guys for watching. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, I'd appreciate it if you'd consider doing so. And let's jam out, man. I'm going to get back on this. What mode am I in here? What am I doing? Anyway, all right. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.